Yes, and well, what she said to him was, if I knew they went in that way, I wouldn't have bought the big ones. Anyway, see you later, Vicar. Ta, bye-bye. Funny bloke. Right. Let's turn my microphone on. And, okay, right, I've just painted the red render grip on there. That will dry pretty quickly in this weather, a little slight breeze and that goes off. That red render grip is basically the same as the blue stuff that you put on the internal stuff. It's just a little bit extra to make the render onto the bricks. But all this modern stuff, why not use it? It's all there to be used. Anyway, so I've just hacked off that corner that you saw. And inside they was having a little bit of a problem on the inside. They're getting some damp troubles. Calls for an impression there. They was having a little bit of trouble. Don't do many impressions and they're all crap, but I will do them every now and then. So just warning you, giving you a little impression warning. You should do a little thing, impression warning. One's coming. Anyway, that was Frank Spencer. For any of you that are not old enough to know who Frank Spencer is, have a little Google. He was like a hapless idiot that could never get anything done properly, could never be employed for more than a day before he destroyed the whole business, or just ridiculous really, but good fun to watch. And I think he is still alive now, Michael Crawford. He went on to be Phantom of the Opera. Yeah, it's not a lesson in old actors, is it? It's a lesson in roughcast. It's not even a lesson, it's just me waffling. Anyway, I've taken that off because I've had a little bit of damp trouble coming in, and it was only priced to do a little patch, so I've taken out what I thought was the worst. And I think that was a repair anyway, because I don't know if you could pick it up on the camera. When you looked along the wall, there was a discrepancy in the stones in the rough cast. There's obviously been patched in before, so I basically followed that line and took that repair out, and to be honest, it basically crumbled out. It was not bonded to them bricks at all really, which is quite good, because if that is the reason I was getting a damp in, and fingers crossed, me putting the sand and cement back on properly, touch wood, should solve the problem they've had. So that's quite good to know. If I'd have really had to hack them off and they was really bonded to the wall and it was sort of bone dry behind there, I would have been sort of doubting, am I just doing this for nothing? I didn't want to cost the people money for nothing. But the fact that did sort of fall off, and down below where I took that chamfered bit off, it did feel a bit damp under there. So it's quite good really, quite good to know that could be the source of the damp. So anyway, tomorrow I shall be back in there hacking off the mirror image of that inside the house, and let that air out for maybe a week or two before I patch that back in, and hopefully, fingers crossed, we can solve their little damp problem really. While that render grip's drying, I'll have a good clear up, and then I'll just get the first coat on today. Just put a scratch coat on that. It's not deep, it's only quite shallow really. Might be able to do it all in a day, but I'd rather just get a nice base coat in, put some render mesh in that base coat as well, and then tomorrow I'll come back and do the top coat and with the stones in it, you know, the rough cast. So, and I'll be got some work inside to do. So anyway, I'll see you in a minute. Hope I haven't waffled too much.
So there's that all ready for a second coat tomorrow, and the stones in it. Hope you've enjoyed watching it, and part 2 coming soon.